Good morning to everyone, student. Here we are going to see exercise 12.3, question number 6. In the previous video, we had completed 12.3 up to question number 1 to 5th, isn't it? So here we are going to continue exercise 12.3, chapter number 12, algebraic expressions from class 7th NCERT. So what question number 6 says? Simplify the expressions and find its value if x is equals to 2. आपको क्या करना है? Question number 6 में, in question number 6, a simple equation is given. This is the equation x plus 7 plus 4 into x minus 5. Okay, so first what you have to do is, you have to simplify. Simplify, then you have to substitute the value of x is equals to 2. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, before adding, you have to multiply. So here it becomes 4x, plus and minus minus, here it will become 20. At 4x plus x will be equals to 5x, then plus 7 minus 20. Okay, so 5x, 20 minus 7, so 10 minus 3. Okay, so here 30. So minus 30 is the value. So after doing the simplification of the equation x plus 7 plus 4 into x minus 5, ये जो इक्वेशन है इसको इस इक्वेशन को सिंप्लीफाई करना है, जैसे मैंने यहाँ बोर्ड पे किया. ओके, सिंप्लीफाई करने के बाद यहाँ पर बोला गया है फाइंड इट्स वैल्यू इफ x इज इक्वल्स टू 2. अब इस इक्वेशन में x इज इक्वल्स टू 2 पुट करके सॉल्व करना है. तो 5 into 2 minus 30, x की जगह पे 2 पुट करना है. तो 5 into 2 is 10. 10 minus 13 is equals to minus 3. So which is the required answer? Clear everyone? Minus 3 will be the answer. Moving toward the second part of this question, we are having 3 into x plus 2 plus 5x minus 7. This is the equation. Simplify. So 3x plus 6 plus 5x minus 7. 3x plus 5x will become 8x plus 6 plus 6, 12. Sorry, minus it is na. So plus 6 minus 7, so 8x. Here it will become minus 1. As plus 6 minus 7 will be equals to minus 1. So here you have to substitute the value of x is equals to 12. So x के प्लेस पे क्या पुट करना है? 2 minus 1. So 8 into 2 is 16. 16 minus 1 will be equals to how much? 15, which is the required answer, and it will be equals to plus 15. Now moving toward the next question, we are having third part. In the third part of the question number 6, it is said that 6x plus 5 into x plus 2, isn't it? So 6x plus 5x plus 10. You have to simplify while multiplying the number 5 inside the bracket. Okay, जो number 5 है उसको bracket के अंदर multiply करोगे तो 6x plus 5x plus 10 आएगा. इन दोनों को simplify करोगे तो plus 6x plus 5x will become 11x plus 2. Now x की value क्या put करना है? 2. So 11 into 2 plus 10. So 11 into 2 will be 22 plus 10 will be equals to 32. Clear to everyone? Then the fourth part of this question is 4 into 2x minus 1 plus 3x plus 11. So here it will become 8x minus 4 plus 3x plus 11. Okay, so here it will be 8, 9, 10, 11. 11x minus. So when 11 will be get minus, 7 will be there, and it will be plus 7 because 11 is a greater number, and whatever the number is greater, that sign comes in the answer. Now x is equals to 2. So 11 into 2 plus 7. So here 22 plus 7, 7, 8, 9. So here 29 is the answer. So in this way we had completed the solution. Question number 6 we had did. Okay. Now moving toward the next question here. Third part of the question. Sixth question, third part we are having. Dear student, here in the question number 6, third part, here I have written plus, but in the question it is given minus. Okay, so it will be get changed as a minus. So minus, if it will be there, it will be become 12. Okay, अगर वहाँ पर क्वेश्चन में प्लस भी रहेगा तो 32 आंसर भी करेक्ट है, बट क्वेश्चन एक्चुअल में तुम्हारे बुक में क्वेश्चन माइनस में दिया है तो वहाँ पर 12 आंसर है. Clear to everyone? Now moving toward the question number 7. In question number 7 it is said that, what is said in question number 7? Let's see. In question number 7, it is same as the question number 6 itself, but here the value of x is given, A is given, B is given. Okay, so first question number 7, first part, 3x minus 5 minus x plus 9. Okay, so x and x will 3x minus x will be 2x, 5 minus 9 will be plus 4, and the value of x you have to substitute. The value of x you have to substitute as 3. Here a और b की वैल्यू नहीं है, तो जब a और b की वैल्यू यहाँ पर नहीं है तो हम वैल्यू भी पुट नहीं करोगे, सिर्फ x की वैल्यू है, क्या पुट करना है x की जगह पर 3. So 2 into 3 will be 6, 6 plus 4 will be equals to 10. Clear? In the same way, for the b part of the question we are having x minus 8x plus 4x plus 4. So this will be here plus 2 plus 4 will be 6. 4 minus 8x plus 4x will be minus 4x. So x is equals to again 3. So 6 minus 4 into 3 is 12. So 6 minus 12 will be equals to minus 6. So dear student, in this way you have to solve the equations each and every, as we did the question number 5, in the same way you have to do. One more question I will solve and show you. The third part. Here you have to substitute the value of a. Okay. Here, यहाँ पर किसकी वैल्यू? So look, what you have to do over here, as we are going to simplify, 3a minus 8a will be equals to minus 5a plus 6. And what is the value of a you have to substitute? The value of a is equals to minus 1 you have to substitute. So this minus and this one minus will become plus. So 5 minus 5 into minus 1 will become plus 5. So plus 5 into plus 6 will be equals to 11. So 11 is the answer. In this way you have to solve the question. Okay, so rest other part try to do with your own. Now moving toward the question number 8. In question number 8 it is said that if z is equals to 10, find the value of z cube. In question number 8 we are having the equation is z cube minus 3 into z minus 10, and the value of z we have to substitute as 10. z की वैल्यू क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है? 10. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं. z to the power 3 minus 3z minus here minus minus 3 into z will be minus 3 minus and minus will be plus 3 into 10 will be 30. Clear? और z की वैल्यू क्या पुट करना है? z को z is equals to 10 पुट करना है. So here इसके बाद ये सॉल्व नहीं होगा, तो यहाँ पर हम z की वैल्यू 10 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे. Okay, we had substituted. So 10 into 10 into 10 will be 1000 minus 30. Okay, here it will be plus 30. So minus 30 plus 30 will get cancelled. What is the required answer you will get? The required answer you will get as 1000. Clear to everyone? The required answer you will get as 1000 in this. Now, moving toward the second part of question number 8. What is the question we are having? Here p square minus 2p minus 100, and the value of p you have to substitute as minus 10. So as you know that this is an equation, and इसके बाद ये equation solve नहीं होगा. ठीक है, so यहाँ पर डायरेक्ट p की वैल्यू हम substitute करेंगे. p की जगह पर minus 10 we are going to put. Okay, so minus 10 into minus 10 will be plus 100 into minus and minus will be plus 20 minus 100. So plus 100 minus 100 will get cancelled. The required answer will become 2020. Okay. Now the next question we are having in question number 9. What is said in question number 9? In question number 9 it is said that what should be the value of a if the value of 2x square plus x minus a equals to 5 when x is equals to 0. Means आपका value क्या होगा? 2x square plus x minus a is equals to 5 जब x की वैल्यू होगा 0. मीन्स इस इक्वेशन में x की वैल्यू अगर 0 पुट करेंगे तो क्या होगा? इसकी वैल्यू. ठीक है, सो व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन? x 2x स्क्वायर प्लस x माइनस a इज इक्वल्स टू 5 एंड x इज इक्वल्स टू क्या पुट करना है? 0. जहाँ जहाँ पर x होगा वहाँ पर हम क्या पुट करेंगे? 0 पुट करेंगे. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर ये डायरेक्ट 0 हो गया. 0 प्लस 0 माइनस a इज इक्वल्स टू 5. सो माइनस a इज इक्वल्स टू 5 वेयर a इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस 5. So what is the value of the value of a you will get as minus 5. Clear? The value of a you will get as minus 5. Now the 10th question. Here in the 10th question it is said that simplify the expression and find its value when a is equals to 5 and b is equals to minus 2. So here in question number 10, what is the equation we are having? 2 into a square plus ab plus 3 minus ab. Okay, where a is equals to 5 and b is equals to minus 3. This you have to substitute. So first you have to simplify it. So 2a square plus 2ab plus 3 minus ab. Okay, so here this one is the like term. So plus 2ab minus 2ab, it will become 2a square plus ab plus 3. Now what you have to substitute? a की वैल्यू 5 पुट करना है और b की वैल्यू माइनस 3 पुट करना है. तो जहाँ पर a होगा वहाँ पर 5 पुट करोगे. तो as a square is there, that means 5 square will be there. a is 5, b is minus 3 plus 3. So 5 into 5 25. 25 into 3 will be 5, 15, 6, 7, 75. So here directly I will write the answer 75. Here it will be minus 15 plus 3. Okay, so 75 minus 15, 0, here 6, 65 plus 3, the answer will be 68. So here what the answer you will get as? The answer 2a square plus ab plus 3, isn't it? So you have to substitute x, a is equals to 5 and b is equals to minus 6. So here it will be 5 into 5, 25. Okay, 25 into 2, here it is 2 now. 50 dear student. Here it will be 50 as 2 into 2, 25. 25 into 2, 50. Then 50 into minus 15. So here it will be 4, 3, 1, 5. 35. 35 plus 8 it will be 38. So the required answer is 38. Clear? Not 68. 68 का आंसर नहीं होगा, 38 होगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पर मैंने 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया इसलिए 75 आया. बट 3 से मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करना है, क्वेश्चन में 2 है तो 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करने पर 50 आएगा. So here we had completed our explanation of exercise 12.3. Hope you people understood the exercise. So for today, thank you everyone. In the next video we are going to start exercise 12.4. Thank you.